Welcome, dear children. In this session, we'll see what is story writing. Right? I'll give you two examples of story writing, then you will understand how to write a story. Right? First question is write a short story in 200 to 250 words with the help of the clues given below. Give a suitable title to the story. Now, outline of the story is given here. Going to Mumbai by train to attend the marriage of a friend. Got stuck in a traffic jam. Reached the railway station late. Boarded a wrong train. Realized after 2 hours. Now you have to continue. Right? This question was asked in 2019 English Communicative Set 1 in board exam. The answer is a series of unfortunate event. That was a title given by me. You can change your own title. I sat down with relief as I ticked off the last task in the checklist. I wanted everything to be perfect as it was my best friend's marriage in Mumbai. The alarm rang next morning. I woke up in excitement and booked a cab to the railway station. Everything was going perfectly until I got stuck in a traffic jam. I reached the railway station late, but on the side of the train, still waiting on the platform, I hurried and somehow managed to get into the train. I breathed a sigh of relief and get comfortable. It was only when the ticket collector came I realized that I had been in the wrong train for 2 hours. I panicked and deboarded the train at the next station. I tried booking a ticket for the next train to Mumbai, but there was no availability. On coming back from the ticket counter, I realized that my luggage was missing. Even after hours of finding and reporting it, there was no trace of it. I got tired and lost hope. Tried booking a cab with the minimal amount I was left with my packet. The cab couldn't reach on time as it was raining heavily. Disheartened, I finally walked my way to the nearest hotel, contacted my parents, and recited them the series of unfortunate events that happened during the day. Alas, I couldn't even make it to my best friend's wedding. So that is the end of first story. One more story. Write a short story in 200 to 250 words with the help of the clues given below. Clue spelling is wrong there, change it. Give a suitable title to the story. Satish was standing on the balcony watching the last rays of the sun. Loud and angry voices in the street below distracted his attention. He ran down the stairs to see what happened. This question was also asked in 2019 board exam English Communicative Set 2. Before the question was asked in Communicative Set 1 and this is for Set 2. The last day, that was a title. Satish was standing on the balcony watching the last rays of the sun. Loud and angry voices in the street below distracted his attention. He ran down the stairs to see what had happened. His neighbors were again fighting over some parking issues. It was a common scene among the residents of that area. No sooner did he reach there when he suddenly land between the neighbors' buildings started tearing apart. Everyone got frightened. Satish ran back to his house to find his daughter and wife. They were both ready with their emergency baggage. The family got out of the house and started running as fast as they could, passing the falling trees and buildings. Water was penetrating out of the departing land, and everyone was panicking and running in any direction to save their lives when suddenly Satish's daughter fell down. A tree fell over her feet. Satish was trying to help his crying daughter when they both saw a building falling over them. Satish hugged his daughter and shouted at the peak of his voice, which finally woke him up. With sighs of heavy breathing and excessive sweating, Satish went to his daughter's room only to find that everything was fine. He kissed her forehead, went back to his room, and wondered, phew, this is only really took the life out of me. It's a dream. Thank you, dear.